If you've been following us along on a Tesla journey, you may remember that we picked up our car in August last year. So almost after a year later, we have finally clocked 10,000 kilometers on our Model 3, which means it was time to take it in for our first Tesla service. Now you've probably heard that EVs require very little maintenance. So what did we exactly get done in this service? Well, Tesla recommends rotating the tires every 10,000 kilometers or 6,250 miles, and they say it's an essential part of the maintenance as it helps maintain an even tread wear pattern, which enhances the tire's overall wear quality, decreases road noise, and maximizes the tire's life. Now for our service, we opted to get the tires rotated and also get a wheel alignment done. And the experience and the cost of these are quite different, which is what I'll be talking about in this video. So let's first talk about how do you actually go about scheduling a service appointment. Well, it's a super simple process and it's all done through the Tesla's mobile app. All you do is go into the app, scroll down to the very bottom where you see a service section, click on request a service, and you will see a list of all the different service options that Tesla offers. So in my case, it was selecting tires and wheels, and then from that list I selected tire rotation and wheel alignment. So here you have the option of adding any other notes to your service request or describing any other concerns that you may have. After which you'll be taken to a screen that lets you choose the appointment slot that works best for you. And after you've selected your time slot, you may receive a quote from Tesla instantly, or based on your service request, it may take a couple of hours for a Tesla rep to get back to you with a cost estimate. And if you're happy with the quote, all you have to do is hit approve and lock in your appointment. But this is where the biggest difference comes in. If you chose just the tire rotation option, this will actually be a completely mobile service in most regions, which means a mobile technician will literally come to your place and do the tire rotation for you right in the comfort of your home. And in fact, you can even get them to come visit your workplace. But let's say you're stuck in a meeting or something, they can even turn up, remotely unlock the car and do the job for you. And that, I must say, is super impressive. Now I know that you're probably thinking that all this convenience comes at a big cost. Well, prepare to be amazed as this tire rotation only costs $39, which honestly is amazing value for what Tesla delivers. Now I have heard reports of the Tesla's automatic quoting system sometimes show the users an incorrect price of $119 for this tire rotation. Now Tesla does tend to automatically correct this before your scheduled appointment, but if you still have issues, just flick them a quick message on the chat and they'll fix it up promptly for you. And that's actually a great segue to my next point. The best part about the whole experience is that you can directly chat with the Tesla support rep at any point throughout your service request directly from within the app, which means you can easily make changes to your service request, add more details, or ask any questions that you may have. And Tesla reps are usually very quick at addressing any of your concerns. Now let's jump on to what happened on the day of my service appointment. Now since I also chose to get my wheels aligned, I obviously had to take my car into the Auckland Service Center as they have a specialized machine to do the job. So when you drop your car off, all you have to do is hand them over your Tesla keycard and also let them know the pin to drive if you have one set up. So I was told that this particular service will take 3 hours to complete and that I'll receive a call once it's all done. But this is where Tesla continued to impress me. To my surprise, they actually offered $60 worth of Uber credits for me to go back home or work and return back to pick up the car. Now luckily, I already had my ride sorted, but this is super nice of them to offer this. And honestly, I can't think of any other company that does this. So I dropped my car off at 11:30 a.m. and at 2:45 p.m. I received a notification from my Tesla app and also a call from the Tesla rep that my car was ready for pickup. Now when you turn up to pick up the car, you can make the payment any way you like and you will receive a final invoice straight in your Tesla app, which by the way also maintains a complete record of all your service history. Now even during the pickup, the surprises just kept coming. I returned to a car that was completely washed and vacuumed, and they even charged it up completely. Honestly, I can easily say that this is one of the best service experiences I've had, and Tesla sure did go the extra mile. So what did this cost me? Well, overall, it is a little more expensive than just getting your tires rotated, but it's still great value as it costed me $146. So that sums up my very first Tesla service experience. Let me know down below if you found this to be useful and what your experience was when you took your Tesla in for a service. My name is Dhruv, and until next time, stay charged.